Oh, and before we start, check the first pinned comment. There's a free PDF with the full script, all the key vocabulary, and even some extra exercises for you to practice. So, yeah, don't just watch. Download it and make your English work for you.
Welcome to Stories to Learn English, the channel where your English gets better every day. Hit subscribe and let's get started. Hey there, you've probably said this to yourself before. I understand English, but I can't speak it. If that sounds like you, you're in the right place.
Yeah, that struggle is real. You know what helps? Repeating real conversations, the ones people actually use every day.
That's what we're doing today. You'll shadow 20 daily English conversations. Repeat them out loud just like we're chatting right now.
And we're not just reading sentences. Each one comes with a short pause so you can speak with us, then a quick explanation so you understand exactly how and when to use it.
Plus, if you stick with us until the end, there's something special waiting for you. No spoilers. But it's a little gift that'll give your English a boost.
And trust us, it's worth it.
All you need to do now is listen, repeat, and stay with us. Because today isn't just another English video. It's a moment where your speaking confidence starts growing.
And hey, if this content makes sense to you, like this video, that way YouTube will know it's helpful and will show you more content that will improve your English.
All right, ready to speak English with us? Let's dive into the first conversation. Start strong, speak out loud, and let's go together.
All right, let's jump into the first conversation. Get ready to repeat each one with us, and remember, speak out loud, even if it feels awkward at first.
Sentence number one. What are you doing? Just watching a movie.
This one's super common. You can use it when you want to know what someone's doing right now. And just watching a movie is a relaxed way to say you're chilling. Sentence number two. Do you have a pen? Yes, here you go.
Asking for something small like a pen, that's your go to phrase. And here you go is a natural way to hand something to someone. Sentence number three. Are you coming with us? Yes, I'll be there in 5 minutes.
This is a perfect phrase when you're meeting friends. It's casual, friendly, and shows you're on your way. Sentence number four. Can we meet tomorrow? Sure, what time?
It's polite, it's direct, and it works for friends or coworkers. Keep it simple like this, and people will understand you clearly. Sentence number five. What's your plan for the weekend? I'm going hiking.
This one's great for small talk. Going hiking is just one example. You can plug in anything you're doing, going shopping, seeing a movie, or visiting family. Sentence number six. Did you eat lunch? Not yet. I'm hungry.
Use this when checking in with someone or making lunch plans. Not yet is a short and natural answer. It sounds just like how natives speak. Sentence number seven. How do you know her? We're classmates.
Simple, right? This works as social settings. Where classmates means you study together. You could also say we work together or we met online. Sentence number eight. Can I sit here? Yes, please.
This one's useful in cafes, parks, even waiting rooms. It's polite and direct. And yes, please makes it extra friendly. Sentence number nine. Is this your bag? No, it's not mine.
Imagine finding something that doesn't belong to you. That's your line. It's not mine is the perfect, quick way to say it. Sentence number 10. Are you okay? Yeah, just a bit tired.
This one shows you care. Just a bit tired is a soft way of saying you're not 100%. You'll hear it a lot in real conversations. You're doing amazing. Speaking out loud is the key. Even if you feel shy, every sentence you say is one step closer to fluency.
Keep going. You're not just listening, you're speaking with us. Let's jump into 10 more daily conversations. Some of them might sound simple, but trust me, these are the phrases real people use every day. Still here with us? Great! That means you're serious about speaking English better. Let's keep going with 10 more real life conversations you can use today.
Sentence number 11. Do you work here? Yes, I do.
This one's common in stores, cafes, offices, anywhere. And yes, I do is the easiest, cleanest way to confirm. Sentence number 12. What do you like to do? I enjoy reading and music.
You can use this question when you want to learn about someone. And I enjoy is a more natural way to say what you love doing. Sentence number 13. Is it far from here? Not really, just 10 minutes.
Perfect for asking directions or planning a meetup. And just 10 minutes makes it sound easy and close, even if you're not sure. Sentence number 14. Have we met before? You look familiar.
This one's a classic for parties, work events, or surprise meetings. Saying you look familiar is a soft way to start a friendly conversation. Sentence number 15. What's your favorite movie? Probably Inception.
Use probably when you're not 100% sure, or when you like more than one thing. It sounds relaxed and real. Sentence number 16. Want to grab a coffee? Sounds good.
Grab a coffee is informal and very common, and sounds good is short, friendly, and confident. Sentence number 17. Did you hear the news? No, what happened?
This is great when someone says, guess what? Or mentions something big. What happened? Keeps the conversation going naturally. Sentence number 18. I forgot my wallet. Don't worry, I've got you.
I've got you means I'll pay or I'll help you. It's casual and caring, a great phrase between friends. Sentence number 19. Let's go out for dinner. I'm in.
Quick invitation, quick response. I'm in means yes, count me in. It's modern and full of energy. Sentence number 20. Take care. You too. Bye.
We end calls or goodbyes with this. It's polite, warm, and shows you care, even if it's a quick exit. And that was number 20. But hey, remember what we said earlier?
Jake. Lower, inviting tone. Yeah, we said there was a little surprise if you stayed with us until the end.
Guess what? You've unlocked 5 extra conversations, a bonus just for showing up and staying with us.
And these next ones, they're even more fun. You'll love them.
Okay, you made it. And now it's bonus time. These are 5 extra phrases to help you sound even more natural. Let's go.
Sentence number 21. Long time no see. Yeah, it's been a while.
Use this when you haven't seen someone in a long time. It's casual and friendly, perfect for reconnecting with old friends. Sentence number 22. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Can you repeat it, please?
This is super useful when you didn't hear something clearly. It's polite and it shows confidence, even when you need help. Sentence number 23. Let me check. Okay, take your time.
You'll hear this a lot at work or while making plans. It shows patience and helps keep the conversation relaxed. Sentence number 24. I'm just looking, thanks. All right, let me know if you need anything.
This is great when shopping. It's polite and it helps you feel in control of the situation, especially in stores. Sentence number 25. I can't believe it. Yeah, it's crazy, right?
When something is surprising or shocking, this is your go to. It makes you sound expressive and real in conversations. And that's it. You just completed 25 real English conversations. That's a huge win.
You spoke out loud, practiced your listening, and built real confidence. That's not easy, but you did it.
So, which phrase was your favorite? Tell us in the comments below and use it today in a message, a voice note, or even just to yourself.
And if this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. There's always going to be more content here to help you reach your goal, fluency.
And hey, congratulations to you for making it all the way to the end. That shows true commitment to your fluency. Keep going because at this pace, it's just a matter of time before you master English completely.
And we'll be here with you every step of the way. See you in the next video.